In some Asian soups, we can find poached or soft boiled eggs. They are easy to make and offer real tasting pleasure with the flowing egg yolk. The poached eggs are cooked in vinegar water without their shells. Soft boiled eggs are cooked like hard-boiled eggs, but not as long. If possible, use eggs from hens reared outdoors. To make poached eggs, bring water to a boil. Add white vinegar, 5 centiliters for a liter of water. It helps the whites to coagulate. Reduce the heat. The water must remain simmering but without boiling. Put the egg for 10 seconds. This makes the white coagulate very slightly and keep its shape. Without waiting, crack the egg and put it gently in the water. Let it poach for 3 minutes. Remove it and put it in cold water to stop the cooking. After a few minutes, remove the unsightly white pieces. To make soft boiled eggs, use eggs at room temperature. Gently put them in boiling water for 6 minutes. The water level must cover the eggs. Remove them and put them in cold water for 5 minutes. Peel them by tapping the base, which is wider, and being very careful. Hold them under the water to easily remove the pieces of shell. The eggs are ready. They are delicious. The egg yolk is thick and flowing. Put them in soups, in salads, or just with rice. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.